So today's question is synesthesia a real condition? And if it is, can you explain it? I mean, it is real, yes. It's a neurological condition in which those perceptions, which normally stimulate one particular sense, actually stimulate several. There's several simulations. So, for example, when we think of colors, we immediately think in terms of something we see. On the other hand, when we think of sounds, we immediately think in terms of something we hear, right? It's pretty straightforward, but not for everyone. Some people can actually hear colors and smell sounds. So when people with synesthesia experience one sense, it results in the experience of other senses as well. So, in other words, their senses intertwine and provide their perception with an added dimension, so to speak. And so they often associate certain letters with certain colors, for example, or when they read certain phrases, they hear certain sounds. And what happens on a neurological level is that whereas normally certain senses stimulate certain areas of the brain, with synesthesia, multiple areas of the brain get stimulated through only one sense, which is why people, when they experience that, they can actually taste the blue wall that they're looking at. So, researchers believe that this is caused by an extraordinarily high level of interconnectedness between those parts of the brain which are triggered by sensory stimuli. It's fascinating. And people with the condition are usually born with it, or it develops in very early childhood. It's very rare that it develops in adulthood. Now, there are indications that it also may be genetically inherited as well. There's no treatment for it, but I mean, that's okay because a lot of people who have it seem to really enjoy perceiving the world in a multi layered and unique way. Of course, on the other hand, there are people um, who don't enjoy having it, and these individuals who experience the condition think of it as an isolating experience, and it isolates them from others, and is something which complicates their experience of reality. So, getting help from a mental health professional for them to understand their perspective on their own sensory experience can be very helpful. But for everyone else who has it, it's just a different way of experiencing the world around them. A completely fascinating way of experiencing the world around them, don't you think? I mean, imagine being able to taste colour. There was a Skittles ad once which said, "Taste the rainbow." I wonder if the creator of that ad has synesthesia. It's interesting to think about, isn't it?